Hazel Ann Tongko, Rachel May Catersa, diri Catersa.
We have a winner, Blue Armor, Van Clyde Cesario from Calate.
Ronalie Grace Oblianda and Jamaica Floriza. Jamaica.
Next match, Monares and Laniba. This is a championship match.
Daisy Kuya and Nika Balibalos and Jamaica Rose and Audrey Amarin. Name?
For the championship round, Jesse Giorgio, Red Armor versus Marky Blue Armor.
Fight event 186. Please proceed to the waiting area.
For verification, please raise your hand. Kabata. Makiling.
Lian Pana, Red Armor versus Blue Armor, Rain Barriento from Valencia. Again, event 186. Proceed to the waiting area in court number 2. Red Armor, Lian Pana from Balinihan versus Blue Armor, Rain Barriento from Valencia.
Masarap at kakaibang suka ba ang hanap mo? Subukan ang Daddy Johnny Sukang Special. Ang kauna-unahang special suka sa Bohol na gawa sa fermented coconut wine, luya, sibuyas, bawang, tanglad, siling labuyo at marami pang special ingredients na habang tumatagal ay lalong sumasarap. Organic, non-expirable at mas mura sa iba. Mainam din sa pag-boost ng immune system. Open for interested distributors and resellers nationwide. Tawag na or visit our Facebook page. Ang sukang siguradong makuratan ka sa kalami.
Next match, event 250. Proceed to the waiting area in court number 2. Red Armor, Grace Adicer from Manila versus Blue Armor, Kate Alex
Carla G.
from Tubigol.
Carla Jean Marimon and Ray Barriento.
Call for Lian Pana and Rain Pariento. Red Armor, Lian Pana, Blue Armor, Rain Pariento. Proceed now to the waiting area in court number 2. Also proceed to the waiting area. Gracie Hart Adicel. Red Armor versus Blue Armor, Kate Alegria from Tubigol.
Uses the martial arts and sword-to-sword combat.
Event 251, Red Armor Ivory May Ulato versus Blue Armor Jasmine Marie Capuna. Proceed to court number 2, waiting area.
Please proceed to the court. Princess Chinese Tabacco. Red Armor versus Ansel
Artist
Rinola,
Picabalis,
blue armor.
the Filipino artist style in self-defense.
For court number 1, Cutting Boys, juniors B,
Empty
14 to
handed
15 years old. Welterweight, 15
Stick-to-stick
kilograms,
fighting.
56 kilograms and over.
Balitawag system.
Please prepare on deck, John Papuyan.
Knife-to-knife
Red
combat.
armor versus Kian Jeff Baltimore. Blue
Aikido
armor for the
fighting style.
championship match.
Reminder to our
And knowledge
athletes,
to defend
please wear
yourself by your own
complete
hand
gear.
and learn the value of Filipino culture.
Mary Rose Quiros and Mary Joy Torno. Mary Joy Torno, court number 3, Marimon. Jana Peltimos and Francesca Di Dios.
For more information, please call
For verification, please raise your hand in the moment.
7959. That's
Rinola.
498-7959. BGC, Miss Combat, Martial Arts. The branch of Artist Picabalis.
Calling the referee for
Learn,
court
fight,
number
and
1,
discipline.
Master Rene Kubar.
Again, Pana. Take your seat. Barrientos. Wear your gear now and proceed to the court.
Again, please prepare on deck, John Papuyan, red armor versus Kian Jeff Baltimore, blue armor for the championship round.
Last call for Gracie Hart Alicer and Kate Alegria. Take your seat. Proceed to the court now. I mean to the waiting area.
Master Rene Kubar.
Ivory Lee Mulato and Jasmine Cabaluna. Proceed to the waiting area, please.
Please prepare on deck, John Papuyan, red armor versus Kian Jeff Baltimore, blue armor.
Rogen Mar Soliano. Emmanuel Bergante.
Proceed to the waiting area in court number 2.
John Lawak.
Red Armor Asi Pomero versus Blue Armor John Jacob Gallo.
Please prepare, Cali Girls, Junior C, 16 to 17 years old, welterweight, 49 kilograms to 54 kilograms.
Giancarlo Paimalan. Giancarlo.
Richlin Lanzaderas, red armor versus Cherry Magdora, blue armor. Again, please prepare, Richlin Lanzaderas, red armor versus Cherry Magdora, blue armor.
Event 124. Proceed to the waiting area in court number 2. Red Armor Clint Oswald Tukip versus Blue Armor Joel Makma.
Please prepare to the waiting area. Jana Maika Pogoy, red armor versus Easy Camille Daklo, blue armor.
Calling all technical officials for ring number 3. We will resume our game now.
Ivory, take your seat on that. Jasmine.
Calling Master Linon.
Last call for Jasmine Cabaluna. waiting area in court number 2.
Please proceed to the waiting area in court number 1.
Also, last call for Clint Pukip, Red Armor versus Joel Makma, Blue Armor.
Hello. KG Anavila, Impic. Anavila, Impic.
I agree. Event 1-1 for middleweight boys seniors. Calling Red Armor, Rogen Marsoliano versus Blue Armor, Emmanuel Bergantin.
Ring number 3.
Event
First match between Hazel Ann Tongfer, Red, versus Rachel May Katesan, Blue. Next match for ring number 3, Rolani Grace of Leander, Red, versus Jamaica Floriza, Blue.
winner Red Armor, Gracie Hart Alisher.
Winner and the champion, John Kapuyan, Red Armor. Please proceed to the court. Richlin Lanzaderas, Red Armor versus Sherry Magdora, Blue
Asi
Armor.
Covero. Makma.
For verification, please raise your hand. Lanzaderas. Magdora. Next match for court number 1. Please prepare Jana Maika Kogoy. Red Armor versus Easy Camille Dango. Blue Armor. Please prepare Gia May Abukay. Red Armor versus Nicole Angela Tapon. Blue Armor.
AJ Annabella Impic. Please proceed to court number 3. Trainer for ring number 3, Bryce Lead decision. Red, Hazel Antonco.
Next match for court number 1. Please prepare. Jana Maika Pogoy. Red armor versus Easy Camel Damo. Blue armor. Suot like helmet dahan, please. Please prepare on deck. Gia May Abukay. Red armor versus Nicole Angela Takot. Blue armor. Next to prepare, Angela Gold Espina, Red Armor versus Princess Jaime Naboko, Blue Armor.
On the for ring number 3, Daisy Marie Kuya. Red versus Nika Luis Balibalos. Blue.
Please proceed to the court. Jana Maika Pogoy, Red Armor versus Easy Camille Damo, Blue Armor. Next match for court number 1, Gia May Abukay, Red Armor versus Nicole Angela Takot, Blue Armor. Please prepare. Angela Gold Espina, Red Armor versus Princess Jaime Naboko, Blue Armor.
Let us all acknowledge the presence of our SK Federation President, Honorable Lawrence Ampa. Hey, video! Pugay! Da! Pugay!
Next match for court number 1, please prepare. versus Joanna Faith Juarez, blue armor. Again, please prepare. Hazel Ann Toto, red armor versus Daisy Marie Cuya, blue armor. And Nika Luis Balibalos, red armor versus Joanna Faith Juarez, blue armor.
Proceed to the waiting area in court number 2. Red Armor, Stephen Ford Kementiza versus Blue Armor, John Lee Rapatalo. Again, proceed to the waiting area in court number 2. Red Armor, Stephen Ford Kementiza versus Blue Armor, John Lee Rapatalo. Event 110 for the boys seniors featherweight. Red Armor, Kent Joshua Rican.
Turkey boys, seniors, 18 to 39 years old, featherweight, 55 kilograms to 60 kilograms. Please prepare. Stephen Ford, Hementiza, red armor versus John Lee Rapatalo, blue armor. Next to prepare, get Joshua Rica Freine, red armor versus John Real Bayot, blue armor.
Again, proceed to the waiting area.
For court number 3, we have a winner by unanimous decision. Blue, Floriza.
Again, please prepare. Stephen Ford Hementiza, red armor versus John Lee Rapatalo, blue armor.
Next match for ring number 3, Daisy Marie Cuya, red versus Nika Luis Balibalos, blue. So today, Daisy Marie Cuya, double time, 9.
Please proceed to the court. Angela Gul Estina, red armor versus Princess Jaime Namakot, blue armor. Double nine.
Next match, Jamaica Ross, red versus Audrey Sabrina Amarilli, blue.
Please proceed to the court. Angela Gul Espina, red armor versus Princess Jaime Namakot, blue armor. So the head here.
Proceed to the court. Proceed to the waiting area in court number 2.
Double nine, please.
Red Armor, Queen Green Daing versus Blue Armor, Jodrine Madronero from Valencia.
Jamaica Ross, Jamaica Ross. Isa ka mo. Master. Master, master. Jamaica Ross. Sulong ka. Winner by default. Red, Jamaica Ross.
For verification, please raise your hand, Espina. Naboko. Next match for court number 1, Paddy Boy seniors, 18 to 39 years old, featherweight, 55 kilograms to 60 kilograms. Stephen Ford, Kemeniza, red armor versus John Lee Rapatalo, blue
Proceed to the waiting area in court number 2, Kintari Daing, Red Armor versus Blue Armor, Jewelry, Madronero. Proceed now, double time. Also, proceed to the waiting area in court number 2, Event 119, Red Armor, Anthony Cedillo versus Blue Armor, J. Christian Alejandro.
Second round.
Proceed to the waiting area, Kintari Daing
Next match for court number 1.
and Jewelry Madronero.
Stephen Ford Mendoza, Red Armor versus John Lee Rapatalo, Blue Armor. Hold that right here, please. Please proceed to the court. Stephen Ford Mendoza, Red Armor versus John Lee Rapatalo, Blue Armor. For verification, please raise your hand. Mendoza. Rapatalo. Next match for court number 1.
Again, calling double time, Kintari Daing
Red Armor versus John Hill, Bayot, Blue Armor.
and Jewelry Madronero from Valencia. Please proceed to the waiting area. Next event, next match, Anthony Cedillo, Red Armor versus Blue Armor, J. Christian Alejandro.
Una ni akong gingon ganina ha. Sa live stake ka mo duwa, tarungan na ninyo ang buhok, butangi na panyo, ogong, kung sa maliha, aron tuloy-tuloy ka. Das na niya, o napay galing ana nga sitwasyon, niligi-referin ako, yan na ana, di na ako muhatag ninyong consideration. Thank you. Suwaye ko.
For court number 1, please prepare Jeff Lagarin, Red Armor from Valencia versus Jeremiah Pahang from Ubay, Blue Armor. Please proceed to the waiting area of court number 1.
For ring number 3, we have a winner by unanimous decision. Blue, Balibalo.
Time.
Again, please prepare Jeff Lagare, red armor versus Jeremiah Pahang, blue armor. Please proceed to the court. Ken Joshua Ricafrente, red armor versus John Ariel, Bayot, blue armor. Next match for court number 1, Jeff Lagare, red armor versus Jeremiah Pahang, blue armor. For verification,
Proceed to the
please
court
raise your
now,
hand.
Anthony Sibilio and J. Christian Alejandro.
Bayot.
Next match, proceed to the waiting area. John Lester Buzon, red armor versus blue armor RV Ken Casquejo. Next match, Christian J. Lahoy, red armor versus blue armor Adrian Gonzaga. And third match, James Palak, red armor versus blue armor John Charles Pulido.
Next
Proceed
match.
to the waiting area in court number 2.
Next match for court number 1, please prepare Jeff Lagare, red armor versus Jeremiah Pahang, blue armor.
Again, calling John Lester Buzon, red armor versus blue armor RV Ken Casquejo. Proceed to the waiting area in court number 2. Also, Christian J. Lahoy, red armor versus blue armor Adrian Gonzaga. And also, proceed to the waiting area, red armor James Palak versus blue armor John Charles Pulido.
For padded girls, senior 18 to 39 years old, bantamweight, 48 kilograms and under. Please prepare for the semi-final match. Hazelman Toko, red armor versus Daisy Marie Kuya, blue armor. Next to prepare, Tika Luis Balibalos, red armor versus Joanna Faith Poteros, blue armor.
balik.
Next match, proceed to the court now.
Barriento Blue. Aguila.
Proceed to the waiting area in court number 2.
Sukul. Winner and champion.
For court number 1, Paddy girls, senior 18 to 39 years old, bantamweight, 48 kilograms and under.
John Charles Pulido. Blue Armor Asi Cobero. In court number 2.
Birthday Mary Rose Quiros. Red versus Mary Joy Torno.
Proceed to the court now. Next match, next bout. Calling also James Pala and John Charles Bonito. Boy Vix Malnegro, Red Armor versus Blue Armor Asi Cubero. Proceed to the waiting area in court number 2. Also proceed to the waiting area in court number 2. Red Armor Homer Cortado Jr. versus Blue Armor Joel Lakna.
Next match for court number 1, please prepare Hazel Ann Tongtong, Red Armor versus Daisy Marie Kuya, Blue Armor. Suot na headgear, please.
Also proceed to the waiting area. Grigor Amulat. Red Armor versus Blue Armor Roger Mar Solano. Also proceed to the waiting area in court number 2. Red Armor John Carlo Paimanan versus Blue Armor John Lawak from Katitian. Proceed to the waiting area in court number 2.
Please proceed to the court. Hazel Ann Tongtong, Red Armor versus Daisy Marie Kuya, Blue Armor. For verification, please raise your hand. Tongtong. Kuya. Next match for
Blue.